Most people told me to throw in the towel on my vehicle when it got hard. However, if you're always giving up, how will you see the value in the things you own? For today's second segment of I'm Not a Mechanic, let's do it anyway. We can place the front fender on our 2004 Chevrolet Suburban.
It's not exactly the same, but it's all it's missing is the bodywork, whatever you think.
We take unmount the plate, air intake, wiring harness, inner fender liner, headlight, etc.
Yes, sir.